Good afternoon, and today we are at Hollywood Studios, and I heard a rumor that they have Al's Brew here, which is probably one of my favorite drinks on Disney property, which is, well, probably my favorite beer. And so we're gonna try to find it. I don't know what bar it was. The bartender that told me they serve it here didn't know where it was. So our mission today at Hollywood Studios is to find Al's Brew. So if you're here, thanks for watching, and let's go find my favorite drink. It's a balmy 93 degrees out today.
Disgusting.
Rose loves it.
It's disgusting.
It's nice after being in like air-conditioned car. You know, it gets a little chilly in there, so you get out.
Are you crazy?
You get out and then you just warm up immediately, so I love it.
As he's like beet red. He's sunburned.
So they have something going on today. It's closing at 6 today at Hollywood Studios. I don't know what. Which I'm hoping that means this park isn't as busy. Since if I was on vacation, I wouldn't come here. All right, so Rose is gonna check her luck at the Wishables Bounty Hunters. Which one do you want?
I want Boba Fett, obviously. Or Jango Fett, but I want Boba Fett. I'm sure that's the most rare one. Or Dinjarin. I'll take Dinjarin too. Actually, they're all kind of cool.
I want Bosick, so we'll see which one we get. So we are going to begin our hunt for Al's Brew down Sunset Boulevard. But first we got to find a table or a shady area to open up Rose's Wishable. I thought we could do it over here, but it looks like all the tables are full. Oh, right here? Okay.
Wait. I'm kind of serious.
All right, Wishables Bounty Hunter Series.
Oh my gosh, look. It made it look like it was easy, but it's a trick.
Oh, you got the one you didn't want.
I know.
Neither one of us wanted.
I know.
Fennec Shand.
Yeah, Fennec Shand.
But she's sparkly. You like sparkles.
She's sparkles. She's got braids like me. Yeah, probably the one that I didn't want of all of them. I got. I mean, you can't win them all. My lucky cat earlier. So it's all right.
Oh well. My drink is not at Hollywood's Junction. So we're gonna continue down Hollywood Boulevard. We're gonna go down and then we'll come back and hit Brown Derby, hit the whole like little plaza before we go to Toy Story Land to see if it's somewhere over there. All right, let's see if the Sunset Bar has it. No? All right, farm fresh produce. No, I don't see it. I feel like this is a new pop-up stand. I don't remember seeing this. Maybe it's been here. I don't know. Is this new? Pins and souvenirs. I feel like this is new. All right, there's two places back there. So not at Rosie's and not at Catalina Eddie's.
In this corner.
I'm telling you, I have a feeling it's Brown Derby. It's at the corner.
Oh.
Where's the menu here? Oh gosh. All right, Fairfax Fair, it's not here. All right, so it's not in this corner I was just told. Safari Amber Ale, that is an Animal Kingdom special.
But are you planning on going on there? All right, that's what I love to do.
So it's my first time coming back here since Muppets took over. However, the ride I think was an 80-minute wait, so we will not be waiting, but I know there are some food carts back here. It's not at Food by Swedish Chef. So it's not the Pretzel Palooza. There's the new Rock and Roller Coaster, redid. All right, now to Brown Derby. I have a feeling it's Brown Derby. If it's anywhere here. Either Brown Derby or the place right outside of Indiana Jones. Or the Tap House, Baseline Tap House. My money's on those three. All right, here's a little bar. This is where I think it's gonna be. Here or around the corner, but I'm not sure. All right, so I was just told Brown Derby is displaced right now. They don't have it, but they are remodeling all these fine bushes. If you've been here before, you know like the Brown Derby Lodge is like right on the other side of these bushes. So now, where are we going? You wanna go Tune In Lodge? You wanna circle, let's circle this area real quick. Love Stitch. But it doesn't look like it's here. So we're gonna go to the next one. I figured it might be here. So these two little shops don't have it. Everybody keeps referring to the Tap House, so let's swing around. We'll do the Tune In Lounge and then circle around to the Tap House. That way we're hitting them all. All right, we're gonna see if Dockside Diner has it. I don't think so. I don't think they have liquor. I don't think so. All right, here is the Tune In Lounge. If you don't know, the door's shut. I've never seen the door shut, so maybe it's closed. Oh. Maybe they're keeping the AC in. Nope, not in here either. All right, Tune In Lounge was a no-go. But it was nice and air conditioned in there. It's the first time I've ever seen the door shut. They're trying to keep the air in, obviously. Oh, there's Daisy. What's crazy is we just saw her at EPCOT. She moves fast. So next up, we're gonna try the place next to Indiana Jones, which I don't think they'll have it. And then, I hate to say it, but Tap House, 'cause I know on Batu, they probably won't have it since they have their own special breweries. And I don't know if Toy Story Land would have it. I'm beginning to think maybe we were
Mine too. Misled, deceived.
misled, because it's Disney. They don't lie.
They don't, huh?
No. They're all sold out. All right. They're all out of everything draft. All right, so the place outside Potato Land doesn't have it. We're gonna go into the Backlot Express. So Backlot Express does not have it. I thought Brown Derby would, but that is not the case. So hopefully Baseline Tap House, that's our, I think probably our last resort. All right, here we go. Baseline Tap House. I feel good about this one. Of course, I felt good about the Brown Derby too. It's not busy. I think this is the first time we've come here and there's been no line. May the 4th be with you. Oh, these are from Star Wars Day. Okay. And we tried Baseline Tap House. They do not have Al Brewing. They just deal with strictly California breweries. And across from Baseline, they have the Love backdrop if you want to get your picture taken for Pride Month. But back to the important thing. Is it the same one? Oh, it's the one I wanted.
It's sparkly too.
That's cute. It says they're sparkles. Hold on.
Yeah.
Shimmer. I like that one. All right, let's see if we Hydraulics has it. Bud Light Yingling. It doesn't have it. So I'd almost bet Star Wars isn't going to have it because they have their own beer. But because Rose loves Star Wars, we're going to walk through there anyway.
I can't go to Hollywood Studios. I can't go to Hollywood Studios and not go in here. You know, the cups, the Mythosaur cups are on sale on the website, but the shipping, I can't figure it out.
Oh my gosh. I did not know that was there. So in our quest for Al's Brew, Rose decided she needed Jabba the Hutt's.
They're all dented or whatever.
Shit. And they're all dented, they're just kind of thrown in there. They're from May the 4th, so they're like a month and a half old. So, for future reference, if you ever like pay a scalper 2 or 3 times the price of these popcorn buckets, I wouldn't, because they don't really sell out, in my experience. I'll buy them for you for $5, plus shipping. So, Batu, they have their own beer, like I thought. We got some stormtroopers patrolling.
Much less trouble for both of us.
Is the pay good?
Suspicious activity may result in your detention. Good. Excellent. You enjoy your day.
So as suspected, it was not in Batu.
No, we didn't really look.
No, we looked. We went in. We didn't go in Oga's, but we looked in the other places. So we're gonna go to Toy Story Land. I think the beer is probably gonna be at like an outdoor venue, kind of like it was at EPCOT. Bach and Hands, I believe is what it's called. Talked to Baseline Tap House. They said it's not in any of their restaurants. So we're just kind of looking at the outdoor kind of beer places. So the next one, I feel if it's gonna be anywhere, it's gonna be over by Pixar, the little Pixar area, right next to Joffrey's. So I think that's my next hopeful. If not there, I don't think it's here.
I think he mistook it for Animal Kingdom and not Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, I think he mistook it for Animal Kingdom, because I'll be honest, I googled it and it said they have it in Animal Kingdom at one of the bars right outside Everest. So I think he got confused, which it's cool. A lot of places here on property. Guess I'll just have to go there next time. But here we are in Toy Story Land. This, of all the places here, this is probably the hottest, which I don't get. Like, the newest area here in, no, it's not the newest. But this is a fairly new, since I've been going to Disney World, land, but I can't believe they didn't put more shade over here. So my last hope is if the beer is here, it's gonna be here, since we've tried every other outdoor place. and it's not here. It is not here. So I think he got it confused with Animal Kingdom, which is cool. Just give me a reason to go to Animal Kingdom. Not that I need a reason for beer, but it is my favorite drink here on Disney property. Once again, it's called Al's Brew, the black tea. Black tea and pineapple. It is delicious. It's like a fruit roll-up to me is what it tastes like. But it was a fail. I tried.
But I got cool stuff.
Bros bought some more stuff. So now I guess that's it. Did you see Pluto up there? I've never noticed him.
Oh, Pluto right there, but I didn't see Mickey up there.
So that is going to end my day at Hollywood Studios. Unfortunately, didn't find Al's Brew, but it's okay. The quest continues. But if you came along on this quick little adventure, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.